Oh, we got a disaster on our hands, chaps. I forgot to buy alcohol, so I've got to do this stuff sober. Okay, this is a remake of a video I did about 6 years ago to do with telling time. I thought I'd redo it because I looked at the old version. I thought, oh, Jesus, that's bad. So I'm going to redo it here again. So hopefully a clock is going to magically appear somewhere alongside me. Let's get into this. So, very simply, if you and me knew each other, know our routines, whatever, and we're meeting tomorrow, or whatever, this, I would just say to you, I'll see you at 10. No more than that. Because you and me, we know we're meeting at 10 in the morning. Just, I'm meeting you at 10. That's it. It's simple as that. If you want to be a little bit more formal with it, you can say, let's meet at 10 o'clock. Okay. Now, the o'clock thing is only done for the full hours. So 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, whatever. It's o'clock. It's only on the full hours. Not when we get to splitting the thing up, but we'll get back to that in a minute. Now, let's say we don't know each other and we need to specify whether we're talking about morning, evening, or whatever. This is where the whole AM and PM stuff comes in. So, now, I could say to you, I'll see you 10 in the morning, okay? Or I'll see you tomorrow afternoon at 6. So we already know where we're talking. But another way is, of course, the old AM and PM, okay? So if we're meeting in the morning, I would say, let's meet at 10 a.m. If we're meeting in the evening, I would say 10 p.m. Now, people make a mess of this quite a lot because they mix up which way is which. So midnight is 12 a.m. Lunchtime, middle of the day, is 12 p.m. And people often get that mixed the wrong way around. But the gist of it is the AM stands for ante-meridian, meaning before halfway. And the PM stands for post-meridian, meaning past halfway. So from 0 hour at midnight all the way to 11:59 a.m. is AM. Why did I just say that twice? Well, you get what I mean. It's the morning. When you get to 12, you're now past the halfway point. It's PM, post-meridian. And that goes all the way round to 11:59, just before midnight. That's PM. And then it goes round again. So that's that. And I've got to confess, I didn't fully understand this concept until I had to teach it to some kids in Thailand at about the age of 40. So, shameful. Now, we get to the one that screws everyone. And that is 4 words you must know. It's quarter and half, past and 2. So hopefully there's a clock here now that's been split in half with a green line down the middle of it. When the minute hand goes beyond the 12, okay, basically to the right of the 12 as you look at it. Is it the right? Yes, it's the right. It goes beyond the right of the 12. That is now past. So this time here, for example, is 8:15. You can, if you want, simplify your life and just say it's 8:15. I always say to people, you can do all of the clock versions by just saying exactly what's in front of your eyes. So this is 8:15, this is 8:30, or it's 8:30. Okay. Now, when the minute hand goes beyond the 6 at the bottom, we are now into the realms of 2. So this time here is 11:45, or you could say it's 10:45 if you want to do it that way. This time here is 10 to 2. And this messes with a lot of foreign people, like Spanish people in particular, because in Spanish, this is not 10 to 2, this is 2 minus 10. But in English, we do it the other way around. And you always say the small bits first. So a lot of people, if I just go back a minute, this one, which is 8:30 or 8:30, a lot of people will say to me, it's 8:30. No, it's not. It's 8:30. We say the wee bits first. And that is the basics of telling time in English. It's as simple as that. You can complicate your life ridiculously more if you wanted to, but what's the point? Normally, I recommend to my students to just literally say what's on the clock. So if it is literally 7:35, just say it's 7:35 a.m. or p.m. That's good enough. You don't need to worry about halves, twos, and all that sort of stuff, quarters and whatever. You can just simplify your life. So, that's basically it. I hope this makes some sense to you. There will be another video coming soon, which will deal with 24-hour clock, or what's also known as military time, but not just yet. When it's ready, I will put a card up here, so if there's no card appearing right now next to my finger, it's not ready yet. But if there is, knock yourselves out, go and look at the military time or 24-hour clock. Anyhow, I'm off to edit this video, so ciao for now.